U.S. Senator Amy Klobuchar announced yesterday that 3 of her bipartisan bills to combat the opioid epidemic have passed the Senate as part of the Substance Use Disorder Prevention that promotes opioid recovery and treatment, or support, for Patients and Communities Act, and now heads to the President's desk to be signed into law. The Synthetic Abuse and Labeling of Toxic Substances, or SALTS Act, which Klobuchar introduced with Senator Lindsey Graham, would make it easier to prosecute the sale and distribution of analog drugs, which are synthetic substances that are substantially similar to illegal drugs. The Synthetics Trafficking and Overdose Prevention, or STOP, which Klobuchar introduced with Senator Rob Portman, would help stop dangerous synthetic drugs like fentanyl and carfentanil from being shipped through our borders to drug traffickers here in the United States. The Eliminating Kickbacks and Recovery Act, which Klobuchar introduced with Marco Rubio, would help crack down on healthcare facilities and providers that try to game the system to take advantage of vulnerable patients. Every day, families across Minnesota and the country lose loved ones to opioid epidemic, Klobuchar said. Signing this bill would help more families access the treatment and recovery services they need to put in place proven strategies to prevent addiction in the first place. I am Dwayne Etienne reporting for rjbroadcasting.com.